is Jocelyn. I'm from Import Export TV. I would like to do some quick interview with you today, if that is okay with you.
Sounds all right to me.
Sure. Thank you. So first of all, I would like to, can you please tell me more about your company?
Yep, so Viscon is a global company that looks at automating logistics centres, DCs, various other industries within the horticultural and agricultural sectors. We design bespoke solutions towards a customer's needs and desires and help realise those in their workspace and available facilities.
Okay, and what type of customer are you after here at CEMAT?
The type of customers we would be interested here within CEMAT space would be any of those looking for advancements and integrations of automation and technology within their workspace, hopefully to create more efficient solutions and processes for themselves as well, and any of those wanting to further develop their business cases.
Okay, good to know. Thank you for telling me that. Can you please tell me more about what do you think of the exhibition so far?
The exhibition is quite interesting, actually. There's a lot to see here, a lot to take in, a lot of information that can come across from the knowledge theatres and other suppliers to the area as well. It's also nice to catch up with some familiar faces and other companies that we can potentially work together with, and of course then the customers and the range of customers as well that the show has attracted.
Thank you so much for answering all of that. That will be all for the questions today. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Thank you very much.
Thanks.